Your store's menu can do so much more than just list links. With the Zest theme, you can turn your mega menu into a powerful showcase, featuring banners, curated product lists, collections, or even custom cards. Welcome to Zest Theme Tutorials by FoxEcom. In today's video, we'll walk you through how to add and customize a mega menu so your navigation not only guides shoppers, but also creates a more engaging shopping experience. Unlike a basic drop-down, a mega menu lets you display multiple columns, add visuals, and organize links in a way that's clear and interactive. It's perfect for stores with large catalogs or seasonal promotions where you want to inspire browsing and boost engagement. Before we jump into the theme editor, let's make sure your menu structure is ready. If you're not sure how to do this, check out our tutorial on creating a Shopify menu first. Now, let's head into the theme editor. From the sidebar, choose the header section. Here, add a mega menu block and enter the exact menu item title you want to enable it on. For example, if your menu item is Shop by Categories, type in that title to connect the mega menu. Let's start with a banner. In the mega menu block settings, upload your banner image, then adjust the layout and styling. This is perfect for highlighting promotions, new arrivals, or any special collection. Next, let's showcase products. Add another mega menu block and choose Products List. Enter the menu title, then pick products directly from your catalog. These products will appear in your mega menu with their image, name, and price, giving shoppers a quick way to explore without leaving the navigation. Want even more flexibility? Use the Custom Cards block. Here, you can add up to 6 unique cards, each with its own image, text, and link. This is great for promoting a lookbook, blog post, or a special campaign page. You can also adjust the number of columns, card width, and text position to match your branding. And that's it. With Zest's mega menu, your navigation becomes more than just a list of links. It becomes a space to tell your brand story, promote products, and inspire customers to explore. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other Zest theme tutorials to keep building a store that sells beautifully.